This week I am testing the fully electric Subaru Solterra. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Subaru Solterra, there are ISOFIX in the two outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're really nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three seat backs, and they're easily accessible through the boot. Now, I could fit 3 Infosecure child seats in the back here nicely. I've got the Infosecure Achieve More and Momentum More forward facing, and I've got the Cocoon Go infant capsule rear facing behind the driver. Now, with those 3 child seats in the back here, legroom is really good, and there's a nice flat footwell in the back which also helps with rear legroom. We could fit a 180 centimetre driver in front of the Infosecure Cocoon Go. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the Solterra is good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They will hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, and a kid's drink cup fits in there too. And there's a little slot there for storing a mobile phone. In the back of both of the front seats there are mat pockets. They will hold an iPad or a kid's book. And the door bins are good in the back. They will hold 2 drink bottles, and there's also the storage wells in the handles too. In the front of the Solterra, the storage is good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and behind them is a good sized central console box. In front of them there is a lidded phone charging well, and underneath the central console bridge there's a really good storage area, large enough for an iPad and a purse. There's also a little shelf for a phone, and there's charging sockets, 12 volt and USB-C down there too. There's no glove box in the Solterra at all. The door bins are a good size. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and a wallet and an iPad will fit in them too. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box in the Solterra, which are fantastic for keeping rear passengers at the right temperature while you're driving along. Now, the Solterra has a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, scoring 88% for child occupants and for adults. It also has 7 airbags, including ones for the rear passengers and a central one between the front passengers in the event of a side impact. The media system in the Subaru Solterra is lovely and clear and easy to use. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can access your phone and your apps and things while driving. Now, you control the media screen using these buttons down the side. So there's your Apple CarPlay, and then you've got built-in sat-nav as well. You've got your music and your phone. You can access the car settings, things like the charging schedule and things like that through there. Now, in this settings menu, you've got things like sound, and you can customize things about your vehicle as well. So you can go into sound and media. This is a good one for families. So you can change the kind of bells and ringing sounds as well, so they don't disturb your little passengers. Now, when you put it into reverse, the camera image is lovely and clear. You've got different views as well. And you've also got, if you use the camera button on the dash, this 360 camera as well. You can pause it as well, and you can also change the view. The boot of the Solterra opens and closes with the touch of a button, which is really handy for going to and from the car when you're carrying your kids and their things. Let's find out how the Tula prams fit in the boot. The boot section of this review is brought to you by Tula. When the boot is empty, it will hold 14 shopping bags. Or the Tula Sleek future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot with 7 shopping bags. The Tula Sleek future-proof multi-configuration pram with 2 sibling seats will fit in the boot with 5 shopping bags. And the Tula Sleek future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat and the bassinet will fit in the boot of the Solterra side by side with no shopping bags. The Tula Urban Glide 3 single ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 4 shopping bags. Or the Tula Urban Glide 3 twin side-by-side ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on, fits easily in the boot with 3 shopping bags. Or the Tula Spring lightweight and one-handed folding stroller fits in the boot of the Subaru Solterra with 8 shopping bags. Or you can fit 1 90-litre, 1 70-litre and 2 40-litre Tula Chasm duffel bags in, or a medium-sized dog. The Subaru Solterra is a lovely, fun, nippy little EV to drive with families. Subaru say it does about 485 kilometres to a full battery range. We have found the battery range fine for our family this week. We've just charged it in between commutes and school drop-offs. Now, being fully electric, you've got all those wonderful benefits, like sitting with the aircon running while your little ones are asleep in the back, and things like that without churning through fuel. Now, it's got a lovely tight turning circle. The steering's really nice and light. It does have a funny shaped steering wheel. Visibility is excellent. You can see really well out of the back windscreen, even with 3 child seats installed. And you do have that surround camera as well, with the button down in the central console if you need extra visibility. So to sum up with the Subaru Solterra, it does make a pretty good family car. You can fit those 3 child seats across the back row nicely, or 2 with lots of space and good leg room. The boot space is fantastic, fitting that double Tula Urban Glide 3 pram nice and easily in the boot. The drive is really fun and nippy, and it's a really good battery range for family use. The media systems and cameras are great as well.